Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. I waited until now to report on Bitcoin's recent price action because what we're witnessing is absolute market maker warfare. The price initially broke down from both the yellow horizontal support and the descending trend line, forming what looked like a textbook triangle breakdown. The 96,000 level, which had held as a critical support since the 5th of February, was tested for the 6th time today. Bitcoin made an attempt to reclaim the upper boundary of the trend line at 97,000, only to be aggressively rejected back to 96,000. Hours later, a liquidity grab sent it cascading to 94,700, before snapping back into the triangle structure, currently hovering around 96,000 as of recording. Now I've got to ask, who in their right mind is trading this chop aggressively? I'm still in my long from 100,000, but let's be real. This is a pure market maker's playground. It's not organic demand driving the price, it's liquidity games at their finest. The fear and greed index is sitting at 35, deep in fear territory, and institutions know exactly how to exploit it. They see retail traders stacking longs near the bottom of the heat map, and instead of allowing a natural reversal, they systematically hunt those stop losses and liquidations before any real move can happen. If you need more proof, just look at the 3-day liquidation heat map. The cluster of longs that started forming around 95,000 wiped out with surgical precision today when Bitcoin wicked down to 94,700. And here's the kicker. The exact same behavior is repeating. The longs have just repositioned slightly lower, now around 94,500. It's the same cycle over and over again. Bulls keep blindly longing these dips, thinking they've caught the bottom only to get systematically obliterated. I mean, at this point, is this even a bull market? Or just a liquidity trap designed to keep leverage traders in a state of perpetual pain? If this price action continues, I have the perfect image from x.com to describe it. All your models are destroyed. If you know, oh, you know. Speaking of models, let's talk about sentiment cycles. Remember the famous Wall Street cheat sheet? Take a moment and think. Where are we on that chart right now? In my opinion, we spent all of 2024 teasing the depression phase, with the constant sub-100,000 price action making people question whether Bitcoin had topped for good. Then came December. Bitcoin breaks 100,000, and suddenly we're in the disbelief phase. This is just a sucker's rally. And now, after the latest pullback, we're back in the second disbelief phase. This rally will fail like all the others. But here's what people don't understand. If we are still in disbelief with Bitcoin hovering around 96,000, just imagine what actual euphoria will look like. The real parabolic stage hasn't even begun yet. And 2025? It's setting up for something massive. I'll keep you updated as this insanity unfolds. Sit tight and strap in, because the volatility ahead is going to be relentless. Join the free Discord for real-time trading insights, live entries, and exit strategies. Smash the like button if you got value from this, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you never miss a crucial market update. And see you in the next one.